everyone, so this week's video is very interesting because apparently I took so long to open my last Mr. Mrs. box that my next one has already shown up. So we are gonna open this Mr. Mrs. box that surprised me and showed up in the mail the other day. So for those of you who have never seen me unbox any of these subscription boxes, I did just do one last week, but I will still post them all below. I believe this is now my 7th box, and I will give you a little synopsis of what these are. These are boxes full of goodies for your upcoming wedding. They all have different themes. Last week's was makeup. This week's I don't know what it's gonna be, but usually they don't come so close together, so that's why I'm surprised by this one. They're about 35 bucks a piece plus shipping. You can usually get your first one for half off with a code. They're very easy to find. And I will make sure I post the URL below so that you can go and you can order your own if you see this and it makes you want to get one. So without holding you in this intro for too long, because I'm just as interested to see what's in this one as you are, we're gonna get this one open. So the first thing in this Mr. Mrs. box is this lace wedding garter set. It comes with 2 of them. I just read the card just to kind of get an idea of why there's 2. Apparently one's to toss and one's to keep to remember your wedding day. But I will show you guys a close-up of these and what they look like. So here is the garter set. This one looks different than this one. This one looks like it only has 1 flower. This one has 2, but you can see it has the gems around it. I think that's like a pearl in the middle, and it has the lace like part that goes around your legs. So they are nice, but I think if I was to do this, I haven't decided yet, I would probably get one made. So the first thing in this Mr. Mrs. box is this lace wedding garter set. So the second thing in this box are these, it says dancing feet on them. I looked at the paper. These are actually flat, so if you're wearing heels to your wedding, I'm gonna pull them out of this. This is like a little cinch bag. If you're wearing heels, this is perfect if you want something else to wear. They're just silver flats. I'm not wearing heels personally, so I don't think I'll use these, but for those who are and want to change out of your heels, these will work for you, so let me show them to you. So here are the flats. Like I said, they fold, and they come in this nice pouch, so it's easy to keep track of them. So the second thing in your Mr. Mrs. box are these foldable flats to help your feet if they're getting sore. So the third thing in your Mr. Mrs. box, they're called the high heel protectors. They're actually little, like, stands almost for your high heels. So if you're outside in the grass or something like that, you throw these on the heels of your shoes and you won't sink in. I've had this problem in the past. These would have been nice for like prom and stuff back in the day, but I will show you guys a close-up of what these look like. Here are the heel protectors. Like I said, there's 2 of them. I'm not wearing heels, so I don't have to worry about it, but there is like some tread traction on the bottom of them, but they're perfect for people who obviously don't have the thick heels like some people wear. But these are great, like I said, for pictures and whatnot, or if your ceremony is outside and in the grass. These will work super well. So the third thing in your Mr. Mrs. box are these high heel protectors. These are useful, but like I said, I am not wearing heels on our wedding days, so I do not have to worry about these, but for anyone else, these are great. So the fourth thing in your Mr. Mrs. box is this premium silky sleep mask. I don't use sleep masks. Maybe I will try it out and see, but I bet you it's gonna end up off my face and in the bed. So it looks nice. Let's get it opened up. Here is the Mrs. Sleep Mask. Like I said, it has an elastic back. It is super, super, super soft. So if I did wear this, I would not be mad about it on my face. But it's embroidered with Mrs. It's kind of like an off-white kind of cream color, like a taupey color with the little heart. It's very cute. So the fourth thing in your Mr. Mrs. box is this silk, very soft sleep mask. So the fifth thing in your Mr. Mrs. box are these wedding vow books. It says with gray silk ribbon. So I will open it up and or pull them out, I guess. I made our vow books, so technically I don't need these. I made them a while ago. This box, I am so sorry, this box is like not made for me, and I know these are very general, so if you need or want any of this stuff, this is perfect for you, but this stuff, most of it is probably gonna end up me trying to get rid of it, or you know, whatever, so someone will use them. But I'm gonna open up these wedding vow books so you guys can see them. So here are the vow books. They are really nice. They're silver, where it says vows, you can kind of see it's like reflecting right there. It has a nice like almost eucalyptus looking top. So the fifth thing in your Mr. Mrs. box are these 2 wedding vow books for you and your significant other. So the sixth thing in your Mr. Mrs. box is this Just Married car window decal. I'm not going to pull it out because when you put anything back in tubes, it never goes back in correctly. So it's one of those decals that just says Just Married on it. I'll give you guys a close-up of what it looks like on here. Here is the Just Married decal. This is actually one that I might use, or I might just make my own because I do have a Cricut, but it gives you kind of a picture of where you could put it in the back of the car. So the sixth thing in your Mr. Mrs. box is this Just Married car window decal. And the last thing in this Mr. Mrs. box is this cards and gifts sign. It's acrylic. I've seen a lot recently where people have been painting behind it, so if that's what you wanted to do, you could do that with it too. Our theme is not very acrylic, and this font is not the font that I'm going for. It does come with the stands for it, so you can stand it up, but it's very nice. It's like a hard, thick acrylic. It comes in here. I'm not going to pull it out of the plastic, but I will show you guys a close-up of it just because I don't want it to get scratched up if I decide not to use it. So let me show you guys what it looks like close up. So here is the cards and gifts sign. Like I said, it's this really nice thick plastic. It does not match what I'm doing at all. Our stuff's going to be wood instead of acrylic, but it comes with the stand, which is very nice as well. And like I said, if you wanted to paint, which is like the cool new thing behind acrylic, just have those paint lines, this would be perfect for you. So the last thing in your Mr. Mrs. box is this cards and gifts acrylic sign with your little stand. So there you have it, guys. That is the Mr. Mrs. box for this round. Like I said, this came a lot quicker than usual. They are not usually monthly if your wedding date isn't within like 9 months. They're usually like every couple months, but this came very, very fast. So I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, this was a bad example for me specifically. A lot of the other stuff I have used, we have it around the house, but this one is just a lot of stuff that I specifically wanted certain things for that would not be used generically. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Like I said, I will make sure that I put all of my past unboxings in the description box, as well as the link to go and sign up if you'd like. Appreciate all you guys and sticking through this. These are usually one of my more popular videos, and I hope to see you guys with the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.